Good morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. So in the last class we have completed the explanation of the northern mountains, is it? So in this class we will start writing the textbook exercise. So everyone open your textbook, page number 205. Okay, page number 205. So everyone can see here. So this exercise we are going to fill. So everyone use pencil, okay, to complete the exercise in the textbook. So be ready with your pencil. Now we'll start try to complete the exercise of lesson number 1. It's in page number 205. Okay, page number 205. Okay children, so the first main is fill in the blanks. A main is fill in the blanks. So the first question, the highest mountain peak is dash in Nepal. So which is the highest mountain peak in the world? It is Mount Everest, is it? So where it is? It is in Nepal. So the highest mountain peak is dash in Nepal. So the first answer is Mount Everest. M-O-U-N-T. Mount Everest. E-V-E-R-E-S-T. Mount Everest. M-O-U-N-T. Mount Everest. E-V-E-R-E-S-T. Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in Nepal. The second one, a long row of mountains is called a mountain range, is it? So, the second answer is range. R-A-N-G-E. Range. So, mountain range is a long row of mountains is called mountain range. R-A-N-G-E. Range. The third one, dash was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest peak in 1984. So who was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Write the third answer. B-A-C-H-E-N-D-R-I. Bachendri Pal. P-A-L. Okay. P-A-C-H-E-N-D-R-I. Bachendri Pal. P-A-L. The fourth question. At some places, huge masses of ice called dash move down to the mountain slopes. So what is this? Glaciers. The fourth answer is glaciers. G-L-A-C-I-E-R-S. So glaciers is a big piece of ice or snow which moves down to the mountain slopes, is it? And this create, when they reaches the warmer region, they create rivers, is it? Next, the fifth one. Excuse me. The Himachal range is located between dash and dash. Yes, it is located between Himadri and Shivalik. Himadri. H-I-M-A-D-R-I. Himadri and Shivalik. The Himachal range is located between Himadri mountain slopes to grow crops is known as terrace or step farming. It is true. So the first one is, write in the box T. It is true. So the farmers cut flat slopes in the mountains to grow crops. So it is called as step farming or terrace farming. Is it? The second one, the river Ganga starts from the glacier Gangotri. Yes, the answer is true. Write the second one T. So the river Ganga originates from Gangotri. Is it? So it originates from the glacier called Gangotri. So the second one is true. Write T. The third question, a number of people living in the plains go to hill stations during winter to escape from the heat. Whether it's true or false? No. It is false. Write F. So the people go to the hill stations during the summer. Is it? Because the climate in the hill stations will be cool and pleasant during the summer. What about in the winter? It will be very cold in the winter there. So in the hill stations, it will be very cold during the winter season. But during the summer season, the climate is very cool and pleasant there. So the people visit these hill stations during summer season, but not in winter. Okay. Fourth one, the planting of new trees is called deforestation. The answer is false. So the cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Is it? Not the planting of new trees. The cutting down of trees is called as deforestation. The fifth one, the highest mountain peak in India is Mount Everest. False. The fifth answer is false. The highest mountain peak, okay, the highest mountain peak in India is not Mount Everest, okay. So where is this Mount Everest? Mount Everest is in Nepal, is it? The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is in Nepal, okay. Next, we'll move on to Seamead. Okay, C. So as I told you, the highest mountain peak in India is Mount Everest. It is false. Kanchenjunga, okay, Kanchenjunga, Nanda Devi. So these are the highest mountain peaks of the Himalayan ranges. Okay, so Mount Everest is in Nepal. And C, match the following. So we have two columns there. We have to match it. So the first one, Himalayas. The first, Himalayas. So what is the answer? Himalayas. Himalayas, we have to match three parallel ranges. It is in C. Okay, match three parallel ranges. You write one thing. Okay, Himalayas has three parallel ranges, is it? And the second question, lowest range in the Himalayas. So we have three parallel ranges. The first is Himadri, the second is Himachal, and which one is the lowest? Shivalik. So which is the lowest range in the Himalaya? Shivalik. So here we have A, B, C, D, E. Is it? So E, Shivalik, mark 2. Okay? Then third one, Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay, he climbed the Mount Everest. Is it? So it's in B. Write down 3 here. B. Okay. Then Gangotri. last one, fifth one, Nathula. So what is this Nathula? It is a mountain pass, is it? So it's in D, write down 5. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Match the following. First question, Himalayas. Himalayas, 3 parallel ranges. So it is write down C1. Okay, match here 1. The second question, lowest range in the Himalayas. It is Shivalik. E. Right here 2. Third one, Tenzing Norgay. Tenzing Norgay climbed the Mount Everest. It is in B. Write down 3 here. Gangotri. Gangotri, it is the origin of river Ganga. So here it is answer A. Write down 4. Then fifth one, Nathula. Nathula, it is the mountain pass. So D. Write down 5 here. Okay children, so like this you have to complete your textbook exercises neatly. Okay, like this you have to complete all the 3 names. A. Fill in the blanks, true or false, and match the following. Okay, complete neatly in your textbook. So now we will start writing the classwork part of lesson number 1, the Northern Mountains. Okay, everyone open your classwork. Okay children. Okay children, now everyone open your social classwork. Okay, single line 200 pages social classwork. You should 200 pages social classwork. Okay, so first page you will write the index. Okay, first page write on the index. You have to write your name, class, subject, all those things. And now write the serial number and write today's date 10/7/21. Okay, lesson number 1, the Northern Mountains. NORTHERN, Northern Mountains. MOUNTAINS. So like this everyone should write the index before starting the classwork. Okay, like this you will write the serial number, date, and lesson number and name. Okay, so now we will start writing the classwork. So write down the date first, 10/7/21. Lesson number 1, the Northern Mountains. The Northern, NORTHERN, Northern Mountains. MOUNTAINS. Okay, first main keywords. Write down neatly. Okay children, so everyone must use dot pen only, no gel pen and all. Okay, keywords, WORDS, keywords. Write down the first word, Himalaya, HIMALAYA, Himalaya. Second one, range, RANGE, range. Third one, Mount Everest, MOUNT, Mount Everest, EVEREST, Mount Everest. Fourth one, glaciers, GLACIERS, glaciers. Fifth one, boundary, BOUNDARY, boundary. Okay, write down neatly. Sixth one, originate, ORIGINATE, originate. Seventh one, Deforestation. 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 Eighth one, fertile. 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 Ninth one, terrace. 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 And the last word, 10th one, electricity. 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 Okay, I'll repeat once again. So you'll write on the date. Lesson number 1, the northern mountains. First main keywords. First word, Himalaya. Second one, range. Third, Mount Everest. Fourth one, glaciers. Fifth one, boundary. Sixth, originate. Seventh, deforestation. Eighth, fertile. 9, terrace. 10, electricity. Okay, so like this you have to write down neatly all the 10 keywords. Okay children, now everyone can see all the 10 words, is it? So now we'll move on to second main, answer the following. Okay, second main, answer the following. Write down second main, answer the following. ANSWER, answer the following. FOLLOWING, answer the following. Write down first question. Name the NAME, name the parallel ranges. PARALLEL, parallel ranges. RANGES, ranges that make up. MAKE, make up the Himalaya. HIMALAYA, Himalaya. I'll repeat the question. Name the parallel ranges. PARALLEL, parallel ranges. RANGES, ranges that make up the Himalaya. HIMALAYA, Himalaya. Write down the answer. Leave 2 finger space. The 3 parallel, PARALLEL, parallel ranges. RANGES, ranges that make up. MAKE, make up the Himalaya are. HIMALAYA, Himalaya are. Write down first one, the Himadri or the Great Himalaya. HIMADRI, Himadri, or the Great, GREAT, Great Himalaya. HIMADRI, Himalaya. Second one, the Himachal, Himal, Himachal, or the Middle Himalaya, Middle, Middle Himalaya, Himalaya, Himalaya. So now write down third one, the Shivalik or the outer Himalaya. Okay, the Shivalik, 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 or the outer, outer, outer Himalaya, Himalaya, Himalaya. Okay, so I'll repeat the question once again. Name the parallel ranges that make up the Himalaya. The answer, the three parallel ranges that make up the Himalaya are: first one, the Himadri or the Great Himalaya, Himadri, Himadri, Himadri or the Great Himalaya. The second one, the Himachal or the Middle Himalaya, Himachal, Himal, Himachal or the Middle Himalaya. Third one, the Shivalik or the outer Himalaya, Shivalik, Shivalik or the outer Himalaya. Okay, so now we'll move on to the second one. So now write down second question, leave one line and then write. Okay, write down the second question. How do rivers originate in the Himalaya? Question, how do rivers, rivers, rivers originate, originate, how do rivers originate in the Himalaya, Himalaya, Himalaya. I'll repeat the question. How do rivers originate in the Himalaya? Write down the answer. Leave 2 finger space. Rivers, rivers, rivers originate, originate, originate in the Himalaya, Himalaya, in the Himalaya, from the from the snow, SNOW, snow and glaciers of Himalaya, GLACIERS, glaciers of Himalaya, HIMALAYA. I'll repeat the question. How do rivers originate in the Himalaya? Answer, rivers originate in the Himalaya from the snow and glaciers of Himalaya. Glacier spelling GLACIERS, glaciers. Okay, so we have finished first one and second one. So children, now I am going to end the session now. We will continue the classwork part in the next session. Okay. Thank you.